about time to make something weird.
Got our bolt lock mechanism right here, and then the trigger system is actually this little pin lock here, and a catch that's on the other side. Took some saw blades, ground the teeth off, cut some angles to make it fit the crossbow aesthetic.
And I ain't trying to talk no smack, it's just the facts, y'all. Cause my truck's louder than your truck, and my red and white's a little more blue. You might think that you're redneck, but I'm rednecker than you. I'm rednecker than you.
Around, have fun, clink, crossbow.
Your mother was a hamster and your father smelled of elderberries.